Alright, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you why actually you want to have an Oculus GO, because it's a beautiful product and here are some of the experiences that I actually adore. Alright, so this is actually the app's home screen. Here you see some of the things that you used recently, and there are some things that are actually personalized for your preferences. In the beginning, it asked me to choose a couple of things that I like and I don't like. So according to that, it now kind of knows what to offer me. And okay, it doesn't go this way. I didn't know that. Okay, so then you can see some of the experiences that are customized for me here by doing this move. Yeah. We will go through some of those funky apps. So let's go ahead and first of all understand what this thing is all about. So in the navigate subsection, we have the home, library, store, browser, gallery, and search. And we have the people tab where there's actually some of the social aspects of this thing. And this is the sharing part where I actually record what you are seeing now. And here we have the notifications, which I don't have many because I did not connect all my social media accounts yet. And here you can control the brightness to a certain level. I actually use a lower brightness setting in the night, which is kind of obvious, but I just wanted to tell you. So this is how you control the volume. I'm going to keep it at a high volume because I want to record it. And this is your Wi-Fi settings, but you do this actually already before you set this all up. During the first initial setting, you handle this. Okay, so this is our home. There are a couple of ways to customize the home as well, but this is the setting I picked. This is like a fancy room of some sort. Let me show you. Yeah, it's like one of those houses. Okay, you don't see what I'm pointing at, but you get the idea. One of those houses. Yeah, so it's pretty good. It feels really real. That's one of the things that I like a lot about Oculus GO actually. This virtual experience, this virtual room, which takes you away from your current reality, is pretty fun. And here you have your library where you have your apps, updates. If there are any updates, let's see. Okay, I'm actually up to date. There are some things that I already used but deleted after use. This I deleted because it was a lot of fun, but I finished the game. You can watch actually the full review from my channel. This was not my favorite, and this was too intense for me to go through, and this was also a bit boring in my opinion. I did not spend enough time on this, but maybe I'll get back to it. Anyways, here you have some of the things that you actually save. There are some really nice poolside atmospheres that I enjoyed going to. Maybe, you know what, it would be an interesting thing to show you. Let's, okay, then, but it's my saved photo. Maybe the owner of the app took it away, I don't know. Okay, we'll see. Let's check the other environments. This is actually fun, you know. This is my environment now, this funky house setting. You can also pick another environment like this canyon. See now, it's like I'm floating above a canyon, which is pretty cool in my opinion. And there's this one like Dubai kind of. Well, did I say Dubai? Seriously, I live in New York and this especially looks like the Freedom Tower. But anyway, so there's also this setting, like a starry night kind of setting, which is pretty cool, but I'm going to cancel that because that's not my favorite. And we have another canyon-like setting here. And finally, okay, you know what, on a warm summer day, it kind of helps me to feel like it's a little bit cooler than what it is here in this room. Oh, okay, let's get back to my preferred setting because this is cozy. Okay, so as I mentioned, there are some apps, but the tutorial is actually boring. I know how to use it. If you buy your own, by the way, you can click on the affiliate links down below. You can go through the tutorial. It's rather simple, but I want to show you more. Some of the games I already played, and you can check my channel for that debate, this and that, but in this video, I actually want to show you why this is a perfect device. I wish I was able to click on Netflix and show you what it looks like, but when I click on it, the recording actually stops, so I will not be able to do that. Apart from that, maybe I should show you the browser before we jump into other stuff. So this way you get to know exactly what this is all about. And when you own one, this is what you're going to see. So If you would like to thank for this, just go ahead and click on the like button, so I will also be happy by receiving your compliments. So there's the spotlight, which is again personalized screen. There's the entertainment section. There are games, apps, and there's this last option where you see all of them at once. So these are the things that are for discovery for me. Top free, top selling. Let's check the top free stuff, because Oculus GO in general asks for money for many things. Okay, most of the stuff is free. Oh, because we're in the top free section, genius. Okay, so we have, I tried this, of course. Netflix experience is rather interesting. It's useful, but I don't know, it takes some getting used to, and still I would prefer my iPad or my computer screen over it. But you know, this provides some privacy, and again, I don't know if I already mentioned this in this video, but I definitely mentioned it in the full review. The built-in speakers are making the Netflix experience rather perfect. Apart from that, there's Facebook stuff, there's Wonders of the World. This is one of my favorite apps. I don't know if I'm going to lose the dot, but let's go ahead and wait a little bit so that I show you the Games tab, where there are some free stuff, there are some paid stuff, there's the top selling. Let's check the top free stuff first. Yes, I played these. You know what? I actually covered, oh, this one is new. I don't have that. This is my favorite video. This is my favorite game, and this is my second favorite game. In case you end up buying this, don't forget that these two are really fun games. Like, I'm an old guy, let me put it this way, at least older than the usual audience. But these two are really, really fun. And this is surprisingly fun as well, and it's a very kid-friendly game. As you can see, there are some other kid-friendly games here too, but this is not a kid-friendly game. I mean, you can tell from the graphics also that, you know, this is like more childish material, but I'm sure your kids will be amazed and be just submerged in this. Though, I don't know if it's a good thing for your kids to use VR headsets. Like, you know, there's a screen really close to their eyes, but I don't know. You are the parent, you'll be the judge of that better than I. So here we have some other apps. Let's see the top free section again, and then I'll make a review of top paid stuff at the time of recording of this video. This was an interesting app. I hope it will allow me to record. Oh, this is a very creepy app. You actually talk to other people. I don't know if it will allow me to record, but we can maybe try that. And this, yes, I was looking for this to a certain degree. This tells you what virtual reality is, and it's a nice app. So let's go ahead. To better understand what virtual reality is, let's go ahead and play this app. How do you say that? Like, go through this app. Yeah, yes, so that you understand what VR is about, you would actually understand what VR is all about. And yeah, it will be a good discovery run for all of us.
Something about the possibility of visiting other worlds has always enticed us. Through whatever medium was available at the time, we have always felt a need to create worlds of our own. As technology improved, our creative ability grew more and more powerful. No longer were our creations restricted by pen and paper, but instead captivated us by the means of screens and speakers. The invention of the computer was perhaps our biggest advancement yet. It introduced the crucial element of interactivity, as well as the ability to share in our experiences with others. But now we find ourselves beginning the next chapter of our story, in which our worlds will come to life like never before. So sit back and relax as we take a journey into the world of virtual reality. Surrounded 360 degrees by your environment, you'll find yourself completely transported into another world. A world that feels truly alive. You can gauge the distance to the walls and ceiling. And as you move through the room, it feels almost like you could reach out and touch it. This sense of immersion will bridge the gap between you and your favorite games. You may even find yourself connecting with the characters and dangers in a whole new way. Another interesting aspect about virtual reality is the sense of scale. This room sitting on the table may look quite small, but who's to say that it isn't just a normal-sized room? Or, for that matter, who says that you are normal-sized? When scale isn't a factor, adventures can be found in the most unexpected places, whether those be the size of a toy or the size of the galaxy.
Unit 31, we are investigating a strange scanner reading and need additional support. Please exit the hangar and regroup with my squadron.
Engines activated. Launching now.
Everyone form up. This reading is very strange. Let me try boosting the signal. It's two Titans, warping in from deep space. Perform evasive maneuvers. In 3, 2, 1, go. We have to get out of range of these ships. They'll eat us alive. Increase power to the thrusters and try to warp out of here.
Keep steady, 31. I'm rolling underneath one of these things. They've got Beta-class weaponry. They're hitting through my shield. I'm not 31, watch your head. I'm coming in hard.
31! You're almost in an escape vector. Activate your warp drive now!
Of course, sometimes you might not feel up to exploring a whole new world. If you'd rather sit on the couch and relax, virtual reality has you covered there as well. Whether you enjoy a large screen cinema, a comfortable home theater, or even just your favorite sofa, you'll always have the best seat in the house. But don't think for a second that virtual reality has to be a lonely place. Whether they be friends, family, or even strangers, you can share your worlds with others, no matter where they are.
Hey you, what's up? It's me, Francis. What are you doing? Whoa, you watching a movie? Well, that's pretty cool, but I'm gonna take it one step deeper. Virtual reality inside virtual reality. It has to be at least twice as good.
Francis, I think this is a bad idea.
Oh, it'll be just fine. Oh, wow. Now underwater. Oh my god. That whale's gonna eat me. I'm gonna go one level deeper. Oh, what the heck is this? It's having me work a job? A job? Are you kidding me? I don't know that crap in real life. Why the heck would I want to do it in VR? I'm gonna go one level deeper. Whoa, okay, now I'm in a room watching a movie. This is so cool. What? Hey, wait a minute. Is this where I started from? I don't even know what to believe anymore. I'm going too far. Give me back to real life. I think I'm losing my mind. Oh, thank God. I made it back. Back to reality.
Francis, you do realize we're still in VR, right?
Hey, you're right. Oh, wow, man, VR is so good. That's it. I'm going back in, baby.
So, as you can see, the possibilities with virtual reality are limitless. However, you don't have to abandon the real world. With 360-degree photos and videos, you'll be able to visit the four corners of the Earth, all without leaving your home.
Home.
You can even experience your favorite sports in a new way with virtual reality. With the best view in the stadium, you'll feel connected to the game in a way that television just can't offer. And with new games, experiences, and media always around the corner, there's no limit to where you can go and what you can do. So as our journey comes to an end here today, another one is beginning. Your own. Where you go next is up to you, but there's a whole new world out there, and it's waiting to be explored. I believe the only thing left to say is, welcome to virtual reality.
Alright, that was amazing. This video actually concludes the first of a series of videos where I actually show you what Oculus GO is all about. Thanks for watching this video, so don't forget to subscribe so you get the next episode. Thanks for watching. See you next time. And this is what I look like, in case you don't know me.